Hello, everyone, and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for easy to understand barbering tutorials. This is a live broadcast on TikTok of a beard enhancement. Because TikTok only allows you to record vertically, the videos on YouTube come out kind of narrow, so I uploaded this video sideways to fit the screen. If you like it this way or not, comment below and let me know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any more tutorials. Alright guys, let's get to it. The product I'm using for this beard enhancement is called Kiss Express. I like to use the color jet black. If you're looking for it, I left a link in the description below where you can purchase the item. All you're going to do is take a little bit of Kiss Express and trace the outside of the beard like this. Just a thin line. I want it to look natural, so I'm going to put the color enhancement where the hair is. I'm not going to put the color enhancement where there is no hair, because then it'll look fake. From the thin line I just made, I'm going to start distributing the product throughout the entire beard. As you're brushing the product, you'll start to see it fade out as it gets closer to the bottom of the beard. This effect is desirable, especially when a customer doesn't have a lot of facial hair. It's always important to remember that you're enhancing the beard, not creating it. The next step is to tighten up the beard enhancement with the razor. I left a link in the description where you can purchase the actual blade I'm using. I always try to emphasize that back corner of the beard and create an attractive 90-degree angle. When I'm finished with that part, I tighten it up with the blade. And the rest here is history. I simply move over to the other side of the client and repeat the same steps. Watch closely. And for those of you who need to see to believe, this is what the bottle looks like. And again, to purchase it, the link is in the description. This is the part of the broadcast when I grabbed my 38 Super, pictured here, to go over my work and check for mistakes and make any minor adjustments. Once again, guys, the link is in the description to purchase this clipper, which is called the 38 Super by Caliber. The beard enhancement has a 25-minute processing time. What you see here is residue. The client has to go home and wash it off with cool water to achieve a more natural finish. But in the barber shop, most guys immediately start taking pictures, which is something I personally appreciate. Now I know this doesn't have anything to do with the beard enhancement, but this little roundabout gives you a full view of what the product looks like once it's applied. And that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. In the description below, you'll find a link for each item I used in this video. Also, to check out the entire Caliber lineup, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.